Botox? Yeah, sure, let's inject it anywhere that needs it. Quick fix, right? Hold on, let's check your facial structures first, because angles, symmetry, and facial movements matter. Don't worry about your facial movement, the more is better. We'll use the right amount of Botox personalized to your face for natural results. Everybody wants that frozen look, that's what Instagram shows. Our goal is to refresh, not fully freeze. Enhancement should be subtle and natural. You might get some bruising or swelling, but it's just part of it, no big deal. Here's what to expect after your treatment and some tips for your aftercare. Aftercare? You'll figure it out. Want to look refreshed? Let's plan the treatment that best suits you. Call us to book your free consultation today.